Alrighty. I don't really have anything to set my phone on, so I guess I gotta do it like this. I gotta hold it up. I could set it back here, but I don't think it'll... Nah. Alright then. I mean, I could try to do this kind of maneuver right here. Really not sure if this will work. Oh, that actually works. Yeah, it actually works. Okay. I have Olivia right over here. Oh, I can't take it. The suspense is unbearable. Let's see, will you say anything? It's not too late. I could still put on a special live performance as the mayor. What's that? You're saying? Yeah, that's... Deja vu. Ready? It's countdown time. So let me call it out. 3, 2, 1. Yay for the mayor. Let's see here. Pretty sure I got my Party Popper. Carrie. And we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait. Well, it's been a nice year, I think. I mean, for some of you, I guess. I hope. Almost a minute from now. And then a new year. Yay. Oh. Doesn't seem like everybody's showing up. Seems like Winnie and Olivia are here though. 20 seconds. Aw. This is nice. I'm gonna make sure to... This is nice. Happy New Year.